When planting your spring garden, why do you want to plant basil? Well, plant your basil next to your tomatoes and you will get better tasting tomatoes. It increases the flavor of the tomatoes. Basil and tomatoes are a great companion plant. It's called companion planting. Also, if you put it near your asparagus, your oregano, and your peppers, it helps repel aphids. It helps repel the asparagus beetle and mites, flies, mosquitoes, and tomato hornworm. So when you plant basil in your garden, it's helping your tomatoes, it's helping your asparagus, it's helping your oregano, your peppers. All kinds of things in your garden benefit from planting basil. Plus, you've got this beautiful basil that you can use in your kitchen, fresh, dried, however you use it. Basil is awesome in the kitchen. So planting basil in your garden has so many uses. It's called companion planting, and then you get the beautiful benefit of eating that basil. And you have a great day.